So I'm here at Texas Roadhouse in Cebu. So here's the menu.
The city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
So here's the menu. So I'm here at Texas Roadhouse in Cebu, and gosh, I'm really glad to be here because I actually, this is like one of my favorite places in California. So yeah, anyway, everything's the same, pretty really similar menu, and yeah, so I'll let you know how this is. And they have the buns here, the rolls with the really good butter. Got some chili soup, which is really good, and then the rest of the order's on its way. Okay, thank you. Okay, so the food arrived, and there's rice. There's a ribeye steak here. Some corn. Some chicken. And some gravy to go with that. And then there's shrimp here, shrimp on bread. I'm not sure what this is called, but it looks great. Yeah, so I'm gonna dig in here. Really tender. The meat falls off the bone. Fantastic ribs. So good. So good.
Our hearts beat to the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like...
So anyway, I just finished the meal here at Texas Roadhouse in Cebu, Philippines. Fantastic dinner. You know, I came with steak, ribs. I'm sure you saw everything in the video, but service is excellent. It's the best steak I've had over here, I'd say. So Anyway, same as the everything was pretty much the same as at the Texas Roadhouse in the U.S. You know, so the only thing I noticed was the prices were, I believe, they're a little bit higher. You know, but I haven't been to the Texas Roadhouse now for probably 2 years in the U.S. So maybe the prices are about the same. But a huge meal for two, around about $100, and that included a couple of margaritas. You know, so yeah, if you're in Cebu, you know, and you're craving that big juicy steak, and you know, you really can't go wrong with it. So yeah, they had a huge selection of food. So great place, man. It really hit the spot for me. Yeah. So this is Ayala Terrace in Cebu. Beautiful place to go at nighttime. Great place. You got the mall here. You've got a lot of restaurants. Everything's here that you know, if you're living over here or vacationing here for a couple months, it's like everything's here that maybe you're missing from home. So wherever you're from, if it's in the U.S. anyway. So you also have TGI Fridays. You've just got everything. You actually probably have more U.S. restaurants and stuff over here than what you have in the U.S. Yeah. So anyway, all right. Have a good day or evening, whatever time it is, wherever you are. Thanks for watching.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.